Government's first countrywide measure aimed at curbing the spread of COVID-19 was the closure of all education institutions on 18th March. Despite an imminent lifting of the lockdown that followed the closure of schools, the institutions of learning will remain closed for the foreseeable future. However, an allowance has been made for students on candidate classes to report to school when the lockdown is lifted.
With the education institutions, we are going to open for the finalists, for the P7s, for the S4s, for the S6s, for the undergraduate finalists.
The General Secretary UNATU FILBERT BAGUMA and the Deputy Chairperson of the Makerere University Academic Staff Association, MWAVU, say they are much ready to receive the students.
Yes, people at home, but they have still been engaging our students. So some classes are far, and some perhaps they will be just waiting to come and do exams. Others will have to attend some classes face-to-face and also go online. You see, online gives us an opportunity to move faster than face-to-face. Therefore, we are going to use both.
I don't expect some of the items to be skipped because a curriculum is a curriculum. The syllabus has to be completed. But how to complete it is now dependent on the institutions. Some of the schools were already winding up the curriculum and the syllabus for the candidate classes. Others were still far, and therefore the teachers have to plan.
Social distancing is among the key operating procedures to be implemented even when these students return. And though Dr. MWAVU says this is achievable, BAGUMA thinks it may be a challenge to some schools, more so in the rural areas.
The space might be a challenge. 2, it would mean that even teachers have to be recruited because there are some schools which have staffing levels which are low.
We have visited several schools around Kampala to find out how exactly they will teach these students when they return without necessarily exerting too much pressure.
By the time we closed, there is a way we talk to our students. We even gave them a program like having their timetables. At least we even gave them some of them textbooks to go to take home. So much as that pressure will be there, we believe that we shall be able to contain.
We timetable these students and give them the required content according to the time and period, what they can consume at a certain interval. According to Dr. Paul Nyende, a lecturer of psychology at Makerere University, too much pressure may psychologically affect the students.
The child is not aware of symptoms of stress, but they will begin to show you signs of sickness. Sleep deprivation would be another problem. So there are disturbances of sleep where the child may not sleep very well due to the academic demands placed upon him or her.
The Ministry of Education is expected to come out and address the nation on the exact day these students will report for school and the exact work plan which schools and institutions of higher learning will follow. John Cliff Wamala, AIN TV.